but you are actually walking towards a very centralized model. One bank, one currency, who knows everything about you, right? So you're getting very much into sort of an Oswaldian kind of situation. So look at China, what's happening in China right now. So I don't think necessarily it's going to be cheaper either to put it on a blockchain, to be honest. The systems who's operating today are extremely cheap. So that's not where the price or the cost gain is going to be at. So I think what's going to be really interesting is looking at, what is the problems we are facing in society today right now? And wouldn't that be an opportunity for us to enhancing the functions of money? So this goes maybe back to what we spoke about before. What is the function of money, right? And I think one of the things we learned in COVID is that it's extremely hard for a government to give aid to the population who's really suffering in a holistic manner. So what you will be able to do with a CBDC, if you design it probably, is to use some of the blockchain functionalities which you cannot get access to in the normal system today, which will allow you to have a better fiscal and monetary policy. So let me give you a couple of examples to make it really clear for your listeners, right? Under COVID, a lot of governments, for instance, said, oh, we don't have the data and we don't have the certainty and we don't have the amount of accountants we need to basically check what the company is missing of revenues or the barber shop down the corner, because it's not an audited entity. We don't trust them, right? They can say, oh, I lost, 1 year of revenue, but 1 year revenue, what is that, right? How great would it be that if you the click of a button from your ERP system or from your teller, you can share last year's, balance sheet in your little shop, right? In a audited fashion, because it's audited by the smart contracts on the blockchain. And the government will, for that 1 year where there is a disaster, whether there's a hurricane or COVID, they will be able to see how much aid they need to give you.